What's going on, guys, and welcome to our channel Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here in front of Universal Studios Hollywood, and that's because we are gonna do opening night of Halloween Horror Night. And in this video we're gonna do a walkthrough of a haunted house, take you inside the haunted house, so that way you guys get to experience that firsthand. So if you enjoy this type of content, Halloween Horror Night, Universal Studio Hollywood, or any other theme park, we highly suggest that you stick around because we have a bunch to show you. We also suggest you
subscribe and smash that like button
if we're sharing valuable content with you. Family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! Alright, so this house is a repeat, but first time for us to see it here in Hollywood.
Just get lost where you decide. It knows what's easy. It has from the very beginning.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from Universal Studios Hollywood Halloween Horror Night. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the house or the houses, depending how many videos you've seen. But until then, guys, sadly this adventure have ended. Don't forget to
subscribe and smash that like button, turn the bell notifications. Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Osmo 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool. And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure. Bye, guys. Boom, boom, boom.
See ya.
Bye.